Hi there, good to see you. I'm just in the middle of making a shorts video. Let me tell you a bit more about it. 80% of the traffic from this shorts video came from the short shelf after 24 hours. Initially it only received 181 views, then views exploded when it hit the short shelf. This shorts video only received 182 views in the first 24 hours, then when it hit the short shelf, the views exploded. In this video, you'll discover how the YouTube Shorts algorithm works so you can get explosive growth on your own shorts videos. Subscribe and click the bell notification icon if you want to be notified about how to generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot from YouTube. So why YouTube Shorts? Let's hear from YouTube's global content strategist.
I have an answer for you. Every year we see an increasing number of people coming to YouTube looking to create, and we want to make it easier for them to do so. We want to enable creation while empowering discovery for both new creators and our existing creator base. By releasing our creation tools, we're making mobile creation lightweight, fast, fun, and easy.
So how does the YouTube Shorts algorithm work so you can see explosive growth? When you first upload a shorts video to YouTube's going to notify your subscribers, so most of your traffic is going to come from notifications. Your second major traffic source is going to come from browse features, which is traffic that comes from the home screen at youtube.com. This also includes the subscription feed from people that have subscribed to your channel. The largest and most explosive growth comes from the short shelf, which is typically 24 to 48 hours after you've uploaded the video. In my experience, it can also be several days or a week later, so you just have to be patient. When your shorts video hits the short shelf, you'll see a spike in traffic in YouTube analytics. This means that YouTube is showing your shorts video to the most relevant audience. If the audience responds and watches the video all the way through, you'll get more traffic from the short shelf. If your audience doesn't like the content contained in the shorts video, your shorts traffic will decline. That's why you might see a plateau of your short shelf traffic, or you might see it disappear altogether. What are some other reasons for your shorts video not getting on the short shelf? Number one, it may not have been in the right vertical format. Make sure it's 9:16 and 1920 by 1080 pixels. Number two, you didn't add the hashtag shorts in the title or description. Number three, you didn't deliver the content that was promised in the title. Number four, you didn't get a high audience retention or a high average view duration. A shorts video should get a high audience retention because it's short. Typically I get between 70 to 80% audience retention. Number six, you created a shorts video with a low resolution. Instead, make sure it's a high definition video of 1080p or 4K. Number seven, competition. YouTube is rolling out the YouTube Shorts camera to more people in the US, which means there's going to be more competition in your niche. Therefore, when you make your shorts video, try to make a high impact video that grabs the attention of your viewers and holds them throughout the video. Here are some tips from YouTube about how to create your shorts video. Number one, keep it snappy. There is no one way to approach shorts, but it's a good idea to use a hook within the first few seconds of your video and to help grab viewers' attention. It's also important to remember that shorts loop. Pace your content accordingly and think of ways you can encourage replayability. Number two, tell a story. Shorts don't have to be complicated or highly produced to be enjoyable. Focus on telling a concise story and have fun experimenting with new video topics, styles, and tools. Number three, leverage text. Many of the short sketches leverage text, both on screen and in the caption, to set up context or add to the narrative. On shorts, audio, video, and text are important aspects of telling your story, so have fun playing around with all three. Do you want to increase exposure for the shorts content you've created on your channel? Now you can add a short section that is visible on your YouTube channel homepage, as well as on the short shelf on the YouTube app. Just click on the customization tab in YouTube Studio and add the short section. So are you wondering if YouTube Shorts are still worth making? Absolutely, because they still drive lots of traffic even after the short shelf traffic has disappeared. For example, my shorts videos still get traffic from search, suggested, browse, and external even after the short shelf traffic has disappeared. They not only produce new views for my channel, but attract new subscribers and generate revenue. So how do you come up with new ideas for YouTube Shorts? No worries, just watch a video on the screen right now on how to come up with ideas for YouTube Shorts.